What's up, guys? We're working on this '05 Chrysler 300 with the Hemi in it, and I just want to do a quick video on how to change the thermostat. So it is right here on all Hemis. Comes right off the whole water pump deal, and you got this 13 and there's another 13 right down there. The coolant is already out of this. I'm not going to take the hose off just because I don't feel like messing with it. I don't really have a reason to. And so either you're going to have to pull your bottom radiator hose, which is right down there on the bottom of the pump. I don't know if, yeah, right there. Or there's a petcock on the bottom of the radiator. Alright, so here you can see the old thermostat. There's the new one. It looks the same, so we're going to pop this in. Make sure that you always put it in the same way you took it out. I cleaned that surface up already, so it just slides in right like that. Just push it in.
Put note down. Always the spring side faces the motor. There has been so many people I've seen that put them in backwards somehow.
We'll just put it in the same way you get out.
Yeah.
Alright, so that's all slid together, and we'll get this all tightened up and thermostat has been replaced. Alright guys, I know that's just a short one, but I know someone out there could help them, so I just made it. I hope it helps someone out there. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Also, a side note, make sure the spring is always in the engine side, the side that's getting heated up, because the spring gets the temperature and then releases. So very simple, just make sure you put it in the same way you got it out, and we'll catch you on the next one, guys. Thanks for watching.